Hello and welcome back to TK's Bar. I'm your host Tessa and today we're making a jungle bird. So, first of all, if you guys are feeling a little down in your quarantine and you want something to lift you up, do your eyebrows. I did them today and now I feel like $1,000,000. So what is a jungle bird exactly? It's actually a tiki drink, which is super exciting because we haven't made a tiki drink yet on this channel. Normally, he'd be sitting, relaxing by the beach, with a nice tiki drink in the sun. Unfortunately, we don't have the sun right now, or the beach, or any of that, but we're still making a tiki drink. So first, we're gonna introduce our ingredients, and then we're gonna get straight into the cocktail. Because the cocktail is a rum-based cocktail, obviously our first ingredient is gonna be our rum. This recipe calls for specifically either a Blackstrap or a Jamaican rum. If you don't have one of those, you could totally try it without it. It's just probably not gonna be the intended taste that the drink is supposed to have. So the rum that we are using today is going to be our Appleton Estate Reserve. This is a Jamaican rum, not a Blackstrap rum, but like I said before, whatever you have on hand, I'm sure you can make it with that. Then our next ingredient is gonna be our Campari. I just did a video on Campari, so we're getting pretty low, but I think they'll be enough for this drink. So next we've got our simple syrup. This is just a 1-to-1 simple syrup. If you don't know how to make simple syrup, you can actually go on the highlights at TK's Bar on Instagram. And I've just got a little quick how-to on how to make simple syrup. Super easy. You probably have the ingredients at home, just sugar and water. But yeah, check that out if you don't know. So last, we've got our lime juice and our pineapple juice. I fresh squeezed my lime juice like normal, even though I go to the store today and there's no limes at all, like anywhere, as if there's like no section for it even. What? No. Anyways, and then we've got our pineapple juice, which I have not fresh squeezed. This is just store-bought. If you wanna find a way to fresh squeeze your pineapple juice, be my guest, but this is all I got on hand right now. Awesome, so we've got our jigger and we've got our shaker, and let's get straight into making the drink. Starting with our Jamaican rum, we're gonna do a 1.5 ounce pour of that. So there we go, 1.5 ounces of our Jamaican rum. So then next we're doing 3/4 of an ounce of our Campari. Then we are continuing on to 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup. You could probably put a bit more if you want a little bit of a sweeter drink, but we've already got a lot of juices in here, so, and rum itself is a sweeter alcohol, so just keep that in mind. Then we have 1/2 ounce of our lime juice. And then finally we've got 1.5 ounces of our pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is so good. Perfect, then we're just gonna throw our ice into our shaker and give it a quick shake. Now that we've got our drink all shaken up, we're just gonna throw some ice in our glass and serve. So the coolest part about tiki drinks is that they always come in like the funkiest glasses. So today we're using this skull glass that I found that was actually being used as like a penny jar, but we're using it as a glass today. It is very big, so we're gonna fill this up really full with ice, but you can just use a rocks glass or a doubles glass if you want. You don't have to go as crazy as this, but it's fun, it's tiki, so let's do it. So last thing to do is just strain our drink. So unfortunately, the glass is too big for the drink, but I'm gonna keep it like this anyways because I think this is so cool. So lastly, to garnish this baby, we're just gonna throw, I don't know if this would be considered a pineapple wheel, a 1/2 of a pineapple wheel into the back of it. And there's our garnish. You could garnish this with some pineapple fronds if you wanted. Unfortunately, I don't have any. I don't know who cut up the pineapple, but they didn't tell me, and don't know where the rest of the pineapple went, but yeah, you could use kind of whatever you want, pineapple based, to garnish this. You could even use a lime wheel if you don't have anything else. I'm using a pineapple half wheel today though. Last thing we need to do is just taste this baby. I'm really excited because I've never had this drink before, but let's give it a taste. Whoa, that's got a funny evolution. Okay, so the first thing you get is kind of the sweetness, and then the Campari comes through, and then the Campari kind of stays for a while. And like I've said before, I have a fair bit of a sweet tooth, and Campari isn't necessarily my favorite liqueur. So unfortunately, I don't love this drink as much as I thought I would. It's definitely got a bitter note to it that I was expecting it, but I wasn't expecting it to be that strong, because I didn't think that there would be enough Campari in there. But the Campari definitely comes through a bit more than I would like. For me, this isn't my favorite drink. I will drink it. It's still a good drink. I think that if you like Campari, especially if you like Campari mixed with rum, this is an awesome drink. But for me, it's not hit the spot. So fortunately, this is gonna be a no for Tessa. But it's an awesome drink if you wanna try it and taste it for yourself. I'm not gonna say that I love it because I don't, but you might. That's the end of our video. I really enjoyed making this for you. Even if I didn't love the drink that much, it's still fun to make these, and I really hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, and you like me and you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell if you even want. Other than that, I'd love if you like this video. Remember, you can always leave a comment down below if there's a drink you want me to make. If you made one of my drinks and you like it, or you made one of my drinks and you didn't like it, let me know. I'd love to hear your feedback. And yeah, bye!